Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two fantastic countertop ice makers, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to enjoy refreshing drinks at home, choosing the right ice maker is essential. Let's explore their features, specifications, and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $239, making it a premium option for those who prioritize high capacity and quality. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker offers a budget-friendly price of just $69, making it an attractive choice for those looking for a more economical solution. While the Ecozy provides additional features and a higher ice production capacity, the DUMOS stands out for its affordability. Next, let's talk about the type of ice produced by each machine. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for cocktails and soft drinks, providing a delightful texture. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are great for cooling beverages quickly. While both types of ice serve their purpose well, your preference may depend on how you enjoy your drinks. Finally, let's compare their daily ice production capacities. The Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive production of 33 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is still substantial, but may be more suitable for smaller households or occasional use. Depending on your ice needs, this could be a deciding factor in your choice. In conclusion, both the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a high-capacity machine that produces chewable nugget ice, the Ecozy is a fantastic choice. However, if you're on a budget and need a compact ice maker for occasional use, the DUMOS is an excellent alternative. Whichever you choose, both will enhance your ice-making experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.